Today we are going to discuss an interesting case of ear. In this case, there is a CSOM central perforation. We plan for cortical mastectomy and tympanoplasty. The audiogram shows more than 50 decibel loss. Though we thought simple case during surgery, we found out except Marius, incus suprastructure of stapes missing. And also a very interesting one, there is a partial erosion of the footplate of the stapes, which is only 2% incidence. This is a process which we are using it always. So we put processes between footplate of stapes and malleus, and we check ossicular stability and also mobility also. Whenever we do cortical mastectomy with tympanoplasty, we have to keep all the process by the side so that airborne gap is reduced, so hearing will become normal. Thank you.